Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Joseph, and today I will identify to you the parts of a floor monitor. First, we have here the handle, the control panel, the switch. This one is the handle tube, the cord hook. Downwards, we have the adjustment lever, the motor inside, the transport wheel, the rubber bump, vinyl pad holder, and the vinyl pads.
Very good. Parang mga call center agent yung dalawang to eh. Sana ba yung kasama niya? HR siya, sir, na mga direct hire ng Canada. Diba? Sa Canada, mga kliyente niya. Doon daw muna kayo maghanap ng ano nyo, employer nyo. Pag andun na lahat ng papers nyo, ibabalik sa kanya.
Okay.
Oo, galing niya siya.
Galing.
Okay, next.